You wake up, another day, the same struggles, the same doubts creeping in, whispering, maybe tomorrow. But let me ask you something. What if tomorrow never comes? What if this is your last chance? What if this moment right now is the only opportunity you'll ever get to change your life? How much longer are you going to wait? Let me tell you the truth. Nobody is coming to save you. No one is going to wake you up early. No one is going to force you to grind. No one is going to carry you to success. That's on you. It always has been. It always will be. You say you want more. You say you want success. You say you want to be great. But saying it is not enough. Talking about it is not enough. Watching motivational videos is not enough. Reading about it is not enough. What are you doing about it? It's easy to complain. It's easy to say, I wasn't given the same opportunities. I didn't have the right environment. I wasn't born into privilege. You can say life has been unfair. You can cry about your circumstances. But let me ask you, does life care? No. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. Life doesn't care if you're tired, broken, lost, or afraid. Life keeps moving. And if you don't move with it, you get left behind. No one else can put in the hours for you. No one else can make the sacrifices. No one else can endure the pain, the setbacks, the struggle. Only you can. So you have two choices. Keep making excuses. Take full control of your life. And let me make this clear. There are only two kinds of people in this world. The ones who wish for success. The ones who work for it. Which one are you? You keep waiting for motivation. You keep waiting for the perfect time. But guess what? Motivation is unreliable. It's a feeling, and feelings come and go. Winners don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is pushing forward when you're exhausted. Discipline is working on your dreams when everyone else is sleeping. Discipline is what separates those who achieve from those who fail. When you don't feel like showing up, show up anyway. When your body tells you to quit, push harder. When your mind whispers doubt, drown it out with action. Because the results you want are hidden behind the work you refuse to do. You look at those who have made it, the athletes, the entrepreneurs, the leaders. You see the fame, the wealth, the recognition, and it's tempting to believe they were just lucky, that they were in the right place at the right time, that maybe they had connections or advantages you don't. But luck has nothing to do with it. What you didn't see were the years of relentless effort, the sleepless nights, the mornings they dragged themselves out of bed when their body screamed for rest. You didn't see the failures, the humiliations, the countless moments when everything inside them said, quit. But they didn't. Success is not a gift. No one is handing it out like a free sample. It is a reward that only comes to those who earn it. And make no mistake, the price is high. Success demands sacrifice. Success demands your time, your energy, your comfort. While others are partying, you'll be working. While others are sleeping, you'll be grinding. While others are complaining, you'll be improving. Because every second wasted is an opportunity lost. Every excuse is a step further from your goals. And every time you choose comfort over progress, someone else is out there pushing harder, getting better, moving closer to their dreams. So what are you willing to sacrifice? Success doesn't care if you're tired. It doesn't care if you've had a long day. It doesn't care about your excuses. It demands your best every single day. You might think, but what if I try and fail? Good. Fail. Fail 100 times if you have to. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback is a lesson. Every mistake is a teacher. Every defeat carves out the resilience you'll need to stand tall when others crumble. The world will test you. It will throw obstacles in your path. It will make you question your worth. It will break you down just to see if you have the guts to stand back up. And when that moment comes, most people quit. Most people retreat. Most people accept a life that is good enough. But not you. Because you understand one truth that separates the winners from the rest. Success is not supposed to be easy. If it were, everyone would have it. But that's exactly why it's worth it. Every early morning, every late night, every sacrifice you make, it all means something. Because the moment you choose discipline over distraction, you prove to yourself that you are capable of more. The moment you push through the pain, you become stronger. The moment you refuse to quit, success starts to become inevitable. And when you finally earn it, it will taste that much sweeter. Not because someone handed it to you, not because you were lucky, but because you fought for it, because you suffered for it, because you refused to settle for anything less. Success is not given, it's earned. And the best part? You have everything within you to earn it. Now prove it. Most people give up when it gets hard. Most people walk away when they don't see instant results. Most people complain that life isn't fair. But winners? Winners don't quit. Winners don't whine. Winners don't look for shortcuts. They understand that nothing worth having comes easy. You have to want it more than you want to breathe. You have to want it more than you want comfort. You have to want it more than you want an easy life. Because comfort is the killer of progress. Comfort is where dreams go to die. What separates those who succeed from those who fail? It's not talent. It's not intelligence. It's not luck. It's the decision to keep going. The decision to push forward when every muscle in your body tells you to stop. The decision to show up when no one is clapping for you. The decision to do the hard things over and over and over again until the results come. You don't need permission. You don't need approval. You don't need someone to tell you it's possible. You just need to do it. Let me ask you something. 1 year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, who will you be? Will you be proud of the choices you made today? Or will you look back with regret, wishing you had started sooner? Because time will pass anyway. The question is, how will you use it? Are you going to keep waiting? Are you going to keep making excuses? Are you going to keep watching others succeed while you sit on the sidelines? Or are you going to step up? This is your moment. This is your wake-up call. No more waiting. No more hoping. No more hesitating. Get up. Get to work. Make it happen. Because no one else will. The truth. No one is coming to save you. Nobody is coming to pick you up when you fall. Nobody is coming to force you out of bed. Nobody is going to do the work for you. And that's a good thing. Because that means you are in control. That means you have the power. That means every decision, every action, every sacrifice you make is shaping your future. If you fail, it's on you. If you succeed, it's on you. No more blaming your past. No more blaming your circumstances. No more blaming your environment. You are not a victim. You are not powerless. You are in charge. Own your life. Own your results. You know what separates those who make it from those who don't? Winners own their time. Winners own their mindset. Winners own their actions. Winners own their results. They don't wait for permission. They don't wait for someone to believe in them. They believe in themselves enough to take action, even when no one is watching. Because in the end, results don't lie. You can talk about your dreams. You can tell people what you're going to do. You can keep making promises. But until you act, it's all just words. There is no easy way. There is no shortcut. There is no magic pill. The work is the way. The struggle is the path. The pain is the price. And if you're not willing to pay it, you don't deserve the rewards that come with it. So let me ask you one final question. Are you going to be the person who talks about their dreams? Or are you going to be the person who actually makes them happen? The choice is yours. And the time is now.